Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Roger and welcome back to my channel. Today I went to my local FFL and lo and behold, they had a Radical Firearms RF-15 on the wall for $7.49. So what did I do? I got it. I got some parts for it and we're going to do a tabletop review, show you what I think of it and the quality. So I'm not getting paid for any of these videos. Radical Firearms does not pay me for this. This is my personal opinion. If it sucks, and then that would be crappy because I just spent $700 on this damn rifle. So like, share, subscribe, and let's get to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go. Alright, first off, let's start off with the accessories that I got today. I got the Magpul MOE vertical grip, and I think it is a rubberized texture. I'm not sure. Yeah, I never had a vertical grip before. Oh, it's polymer. Texturing feels okay. I would prefer if it was rubber. And then I got a pair of M-bus rear backup sights. I already had a front sight just laying around. This is UTG brand and it's metal. I actually like the quality of the UTG flip up sights. It feels really sturdy. It's made out of I believe aluminum. And then I got I don't know what brand it is, but it is a steel mag. Steel AR-15 5.56 magazine. I mean, quality seems okay. You know, just a regular magazine. And then I ended up getting the SIG Romeo 5 2 MOA red dot. And the model number on it is the SOR 52001. And just by feeling it and the quality of it so far, it actually feels really good. The aluminum material, I believe it's aluminum. Correct me if I'm wrong, you guys. I didn't do no research on the actual red dot itself, but the illumination on the red dot itself is actually really good. So let me try to get it on camera for you guys. So that is on the brightest setting. And then let me bump it down one notch. I'm going to keep on bumping it down. Yeah, it actually feels really good. I mean, for $160, it's a really good red dot sight. And the battery window is right here. And it takes a CR2032 battery. And the buttons, it's actually really tactile, so you can actually hear it clicking, and it feels really good. I mean, for $160 red dot, you can't beat that. I mean, look how bright it gets. It's actually really bright. Then you have your windage and your elevations right here. So that's that. And then let's actually get to the fun stuff, the reason why you guys clicked on this video. So I'm gonna make all this stuff disappear. She's ready to go, you guys. It's not bad for a let's see, total $850 rifle. I mean, and you have everything you would want. You have your m-lok free float rail system. You have your 6-position stock. You have your red dot sight. You have your backup sights in case your red dot dies, but 40,000 hours, highly doubt that's gonna give out anytime soon. And I bought an extra steel mag, so I got two 30-round steel mags. It does come standard with one steel magazine, so that's pretty cool. No P-mag, no polymer stuff, all metal, and the quality of it is actually pretty good. They're supposed to be both 30 round mags, but this one looks a little bit taller. This is the actual factory Radical Firearms magazine, and this is the aftermarket mag. The aftermarket mag is a little bit shorter that I've noticed. Okay, so besides the overall magazine length difference, the quality of the actual rifle itself seems pretty good. The material feels good. For the price, you obviously can't beat it. And then for the certain upgrades, the Romeo 5, the M-bus flip-up sights, 6-position stock, the free float m-lok handguard, the UTG flip-up sights, all steel mags. In my opinion, it's worth every bit of $740 that I paid for it. So, hope you guys like the video. I hope it was informational and you guys might look into this particular rifle. And please stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna have some range footage coming up. I'm gonna actually put the rifle through its paces, try to run some drills, and actually give you my final thought on the overall rifle and the SIG Romeo 5 and just all the upgrades that I did to it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And I'm out of here, you guys. Peace.